In the next chapter, I'm going to show you how to chart data, but for now I want to help you get your data ready to be turned into a graphic. Click on the Google Drive file contained in the resources below. In this case, we're looking at the percentage of people in European Union countries that live in rented accommodation, using data from Eurostat. Before we get started, we want to decide what we want to chart. As you can see, we have several options. We could chart the changes in specific countries, or the EU average over time. However, it is more interesting here to look at the gulf between the countries with the highest and lowest rates of renters. In Germany, nearly half the population are living in rented accommodation, while in Romania, it is just 4%. We can remove all the data that we do not need and just keep the latest year. Highlight the unnecessary columns, then right-click or Ctrl+click on a Mac and press Delete columns B through F. It is best to have the data as plainly formatted as possible for any software that will turn it into graphics, so we need to remove the percentage signs. Highlight all the data in column B, then press Format, Number, and on that menu, select Number. This turns the percentages into decimals, but we can quickly make them into whole numbers. In column C, write equals B2 times 100. Then click on the little blue square at the corner to copy the formula down. Copy, and then paste it as values. Then delete column B and put a new header in. We want to make the focus of our chart clear, so we're going to cut down the number of countries. A good way of telling the story would be to show the highest rates, the lowest rates, and keep the percentage for the EU as a whole. This will allow us to show the large difference in rentership rates across the Union. To do so, we need to sort column B and then pick out the relevant countries. Let's pick out the top 4, the bottom 4, and the EU average. We've pasted that data into a different part of the worksheet, ready to be charted in the next chapter.